You know what, Achena? The unemployment rate here in Zimbabwe is not that welcoming.
I've tried to look for a job. All those companies that sympathize with me, they want experience, yet I'm not experienced.
I have an idea. We can go to South Africa and look for employment.
Yeah, but man, I don't have traveling documents.
Come on, having traveling documents or not, it's not something to worry yourself about. My cousin last year did the border jumping. You can do the same.
Yeah, you've got a point.
Dad, guess what? I've won a presidential scholarship. I go and study in London.
You've made that
And
proud.
here's the phone for you to sign.
So you're going to travel on that organ?
Yes.
Just go and show your mom in the kitchen.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you have an idea, Nolini. Because we are highlighted by the high certain rate in this country. And because of the droughts, all the silos in the country are empty all over.
The debt has increased due to hunger and starvation.
I've got a plan. Let's go to Botswana. Certainly we can find a refugee camp that can assist us.
Yeah.
Hey guys, get back to work. Why are you steady?
Agenda Shaz, time is up. I have to go. I have to catch the bus and I will catch you at the other side.
Okay, man, I will see you in Joburg. And I'll call you when I succeed. As you know, the process of my travel documents failed.
Brother, do you want to cross?
Yes, I want to cross.
Don't worry, just give me 1,000 rands. I'll make sure you have a safe journey. Okay, see that guy over there, and that's what. Let's go this way. Let's go. Come.
Hey, Zimbabwe, hey, boy.
Hello, man, I'm now in Dascovina. I'm now in Joburg. Where are you? Okay, I can see you are the man who's wearing a white shirt. Yeah, I can see. Thank you. How are you? Let's step in. Let's step in. So, how are you? I'm fine, man. I just traveled. I had a safe jet.
Come in.
How are you, sir?
How are you? Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
How can I help you?
We are looking for employment. We have been redirected here by the receptionist.
May I see your documents? This is Hastin. Oh, you guys, you are Zimbabweans.
We are Zimbabweans.
Where is the working permit?
I don't have anything.
What about the passport?
I don't have, sir.
So we actually have a problem. Okay. Right, here is your documents. You can go to the second office and they will give you directions there, but you wait for me.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, you know what, young man? You are an illegal migrator. And here in South Africa, the illegal migrators face many problems. Lack of accommodation. You ended up in squatter camps. We have xenophobia, so you are not safe out there. Let me just try and call for help. Yes, hello, sir. May I speak to the officer in charge? Yeah, it's the human resource manager from Hascovana. We need you here immediately. Okay, sir. Come in. Come in.
Detective Sean Jacob.
Yes, manager.
You can call for your.
Yeah, we actually have a problem, sir. And here is the problem. He is an illegal migrator in our country.
What? Illegal migrator? I'm gonna talk to the IMO.
I ran away from my country.
Oh, let's go.
Use Zimbabwe. Yeah. Let's go to Zimbabwe. Let's go. Let's go.
But you can't do that to me.
Let's go.
You can't do that to me.
No, man.
That to me, sir.
Would I get you?
You're gonna rot inside there. Use Zimbabwe.
Do that to me, sir. Please. Please, sir.